Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you what you can do if you cannot install Roblox because it says that there is another installer running. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so if you tried to install Roblox and you got this error right here, maybe you already run an installer and it is still running in the background. So what you can do is you can go to your task manager by holding down Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. And here in your task manager, look for Roblox. So we can see here that there is an instance of Roblox running. So let's go ahead and choose this one and click on End Task. And you can scroll down below and see if there are other instances of Roblox that is actually running on your system. So once everything is clear, you can close your task manager and go back to your download folder and try to run the installer again. And this time you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.